Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to show you a dynamic stretch. Dynamic stretches are much better than static stretches. You will going to move during the stretch, which means that you will stretch little by little your muscles, which is going to improve your mobility and flexibility. This particular stretch is good for the flexibility of your back, for the hamstrings, the back of your legs, and it helps you with bending down. Basically, you will see that at the beginning of the exercise, now it is almost midday. I didn't exercise this morning. I've been sitting and I'm not wearing my training gear. So, this exercise you can do whenever you want to take a break from your computer. You can do it anywhere, it just takes 10, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, as much as long as you want. You can do it whenever you feel a little bit stiff, a little bit that you need some kind of stretch. And with no further ado, let's go. So the start position, so for example, many people say that you should, for your mobility, you should try and bend. But as you can see, at the time being, I cannot bend very much. My back and this hips area is kind of stiff. I cannot bend it very much, but let's do with dynamic stretches, dynamic exercises, and the goal is to be able to stretch as far down as possible. Do not overdo, just be very, very gentle. The idea is just to for your body to do it gradually, as far down as it can do. And in time, you'll be able to do probably a little bit low to bend a bit lower. But we start like this with the feet shoulder length apart. Just very casually, you don't have to do anything special. And then as you try to bend, flex from your back as much as it is comfortable for you. And then start bending your knees. As you bend your knees, you will see that you will be sinking down. It's like when you're sitting, but not quite sitting. From here, you're going to stretch your legs. Now you can see the most I can bend is with the hands reaching to my knees. So, but if I continue doing this movement up and down, bending is just about bending and unbending and stretching my knees. And as you bend and as you come up, you'll feel here at the back of the thighs and to the glutes, these muscles are going to begin to stretch. And this will give you a little bit more distance. Here now you can see that I can stretch a little bit longer just beneath my knees. So we continue with this exercise little by little, little by little. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you can try and reach down again. I'm almost at my the half of my calves. And now more and more. From time to time, you can just rest a little bit with the hands on your knees. It's entirely fine. To make it a little bit more easy, you can just keep your feet a little bit more far apart and just try again. Up and down, up and down. Try and tilt with your legs so they come up as straight as possible and lengthening the sacrum area. And now you can see I almost can touch the ground. And then continue. bend and stretch, bend and stretch, bend and stretch. Soon, almost now, I can touch the floor. I can move my hands a little bit and continue with the dynamics exercises. Up and down. I can go a little bit on my tiptoes and then come back. Now I can feel the stretch all the way through the back of my legs. And then when coming up, very, very carefully. So that's all for me for today. I hope you'll be doing and enjoying this stretch whenever you want. It won't take more than 20-30 seconds, a minute, however much time you have. That's all for now. See you later. By the way, subscribe to my channel so I'll present you more exercises that are good for back pain and for your mobility and flexibility. Bye for now.